Understanding, calculate the range. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful phrase in the English language: calculate the range. Whether you're a math enthusiast, a student, or simply love learning English, this video is for you. We'll explore what this phrase means, how it's used in different contexts, and why it's important. Let's get started. When we talk about calculate the range, we're usually referring to finding the difference between the highest and lowest values in a set of numbers. It's a basic statistical concept that gives us an idea of the spread or dispersion of these numbers. For instance, if you have a set of numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, the range would be 9 minus 1 equals 8. This is a simple calculation, but it tells us a lot about the variability within a dataset. You might wonder, why do we need to know the range? Well, range is a crucial concept in many areas, including weather forecasting, sports, economics, and even daily decision-making. For example, understanding the temperature range during the day can help you decide what to wear. In sports, analyzing the range of scores can show a team's consistency. By calculating the range, we gain valuable insights into various aspects of life and data. Calculating the range is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. 1. Identify the highest and lowest numbers in your dataset. 2. Subtract the lowest number from the highest number. 3. The result is the range of your dataset. Let's practice with an example. If we have the scores of a basketball game as 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, the range of scores is 30 minus 10 equals 20. This quick calculation shows us the spread of the scores in the game. While we've focused on numbers, the concept of calculate the range can also apply metaphorically in various English expressions. For instance, discussing the range of opinions in a meeting means looking at the most divergent views. Or, talking about the range of activities available on a vacation might involve comparing the most relaxing to the most adventurous options. Understanding the range helps us appreciate the diversity and breadth of options in any scenario. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning and importance of calculate the range. Whether you're analyzing data, making decisions based on variations, or simply expanding your English vocabulary, knowing how to calculate and discuss the range is incredibly useful. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.